Oh, so today is Sunday, and Dad is putting in the front brace here for it closes out the front. So he's just cut some plywood and some 2x2s, and he's just going to get everything into place so that he can put in the blower motor heater next. And he's got that all installed there now.
I'm gonna cut the next sheet to go in here.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put the heater into the chunk, and then once the floor is in, I'll cut a chunk of iron to go up here.
Okay.
To finish it.
So we just took the rotor in to get laid down. As you can see, he's in top form. Had to bring the customer in from last year, his Bombardier. He's coming to pick it up, but his battery froze, so we had to go out and get a new battery for it. But this is all ready to go again, so we just got to haul that out. And here's the angle from this side here. Okay, so Dad's closing in the underneath here. There's only a medium amount of swearing involved, but he's prepping that area so we can put in the blower motor heater now, and we're going to go take a look at that. So this is the style that we're using here, mobile climate control. Now, we were lucky to find these through Princess Auto at the time. And I think this is 32,000 BTU, and what you do is you put in the coolant hoses in there, but Dad's got to prep this area now, so he's got on a piece of sheet metal, and he's going to cut this out so that he can mount it. And the next customer, we found a better blower motor heater. We were having a lot of difficulty finding these, so if you find a good one, guys, buy it. And again, blower motor heater is going into the yellow Bombardier here. And we're gonna do here is it gets mounted underneath. And we've seen everything underneath there. The original Bombardier blower motor heaters and school bus heaters and whatnot. And you might as well invest in $400 or $500 and get yourself something really good, because if you got a good one, then you're gonna have a nice warm cap. Yeah, what do you think there, Days? Good blower motor heaters? Is that what we need? Yeah. So that's what Dad was working on here today. So wasn't at the shop yesterday, but Dad managed to get the backboard there and the blower motor heater running, or installed, sorry. And he's did a bit more work back here, but I'll show you the front part. So this is how the blower motor heater is installed, and he's going to close off these gaps here, and we still got to put in some more metal down here to close off the front. And this is a brand new blower motor heater. End of day chew strip.
Sunday is done for the day.
Yeah, Daisy's passed out 2 nights outside. Charlie is just having his treat, and everything's great.